Redis connection relevant commands. There are a couple of commands in Redis, those are connection relevant. For example, auth, echo, ping, quit, select, and swapdb. Auth command utilized to authenticate to the server, echo command utilized to echo the given string, and ping command utilized ping the server. Quit command utilized to close the connection. Select command utilized change the select databases for the current connection, and swapdb swaps to Redis databases. First of all, auth command, it is utilized to authenticate to the server. Request for authentication in a password protected Redis server. Password matches the password in the configuration file. The server replies with OK status code and starts accepting commands. Otherwise, an error returned and client needed to try a new password. Echo returns a message. Ping returns pong if no argument is provided. Otherwise, returns a copy of the argument as bulk. Ping command is often used to test if a connection is still alive or to measure the latency. Quit command asks the server to close the connection. The connection is closed as soon as all pending replies have been written to the client. Swapdb. This command swaps two Redis databases so that immediately all the clients connected to a given database will see the data of the other database and the other way around. Example, right. This will swap database 0 with database 1. Select the Redis logical database having the specified 0 based numeric index. New connections always use the database 0. Redis CLI echo hello world. Ping returns pong. Hi. It's okay. Swap database 01